Hi there, I'm Clifford Bates, and this is going to be a short announcement. I'm posting this. I was supposed to post this Friday. I was supposed to do something fun on Friday, but I fell asleep. I got home. I was so exhausted. I just slept. I fell asleep at 4 o'clock. I didn't sleep the whole day, night before, and I just slept. I finally fell asleep at like a 3 in the afternoon and fell asleep until this morning, Saturday morning. So I apologize for not doing something I said I was going to do. I thought I was going to have another fun talk thing with you guys, but it didn't do it. So I'm not messing around. This is so in lieu of messing around on a Sunday, I'm making this announcement. Right now, I am currently on Tuesday, Thursdays. I have been doing this. Not Carl Schmitt, but Alexander Kojeve's notion of authority. I probably will. By the time you see this, I'll be halfway through it. Not halfway through it. I will be right. As of this recording, I have only 3 more sessions of it left. 3 more sessions, even though it's the one that's already up there is after July 4th. And because of July 4th, there's going to be a special July 4th thing, not a normal. Because remember, it's Tuesday, Thursday will be these special ones, these ones on Schmitt or something like that. And then Monday, Wednesdays are going to be, for right now, the Montesquieu Spirit of Laws. And then Friday will be something, either a live stream or messing around. And this is going to be in my lieu of my messing. It's a Saturday posting, but it's going to be in lieu of messing around. And that's just simply just an aspect of this warning of what's going on here. I let you guys see this. This is what I'm doing. We'll do Schmitt. I'll be reading after I do Kojeve. I will turn to Schmitt and look at legality and legitimacy. Looking at this, I found it. I bought it. I paid some money. I have a book. I have even PDF, but I bought the PDF from so I can use it for this. So I bought it. So I wasn't going to buy it. I had it, but I couldn't upload it for some reason. It wasn't working right. So I had to buy it. So I can do this. I'm going to be doing legality and legitimacy of this, and this will be part of my reading Carl Schmitt. So I'll let you guys go. That's it. This is just a notice of what's up about what we're doing here. They'll be looking at this. This continues it. Again, this is just a warning. I'm going to be 4th of July. There'll be a special 4th of July thing. I will do that, probably this video of it, 4th of July. Because in lieu of one of these things, I'll be interrupting. I won't be doing my normal Kojeve thing. The fourth to last one will be on the after the 4th of July, the 4th to the last one, and then there'll be 3 more after that. So that's what and then I will start the legitimacy right after I finish the week after I finish the Carl Schmitt thing. Probably the Thursday after I finish the the Kojeve article. It will be a Tuesday that it will be done. Huh? The 6th, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 posts. So there's 4. At this time there are 3 left to do. And I just posted so that the one that's just posted is after July 4th, the Thursday after July 4th, and therefore that means the next 3, 2 weeks later, we'll start on the Thursday of that thing. We'll start this. So, what is that? August, June, July, what? July 6th will be the pages 48 to 56. Then on the 11th is the 3rd to last, the 56 to 822. Then the 13th will be the penultimate thing, and then the last one was on the 18th. So the July 20th will be the starting of the Carl Schmitt's legality and legitimacy. So that's the schedule, how to expect this, when to expect this. If you have any comments or questions or concerns, please just do this. No announcement of what's coming in the reading after Kojeve. So take care and have a good day. Bye-bye.